if you're experiencing lag spikes while playing The Sims 4, follow these steps to help improve your gaming experience. This guide will walk you through some simple adjustments and installations. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for The Sims 4. Visit the official website for the latest specifications and compare them with your system to confirm compatibility. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Go to your graphics card manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your graphics card. Installing the latest drivers can improve performance and reduce lag. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Launch The Sims 4 and navigate to the Game Options menu. Lower the graphics settings such as resolution and texture quality to reduce the load on your system and help minimize lag spikes. Step 4. Clear cache files. Exit the game and locate The Sims 4 cache files on your computer. Delete the cache files to help the game run more smoothly. This can often resolve performance issues caused by corrupted files. Step 5. Disable background applications. Before starting the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources and can significantly improve game performance. By following these steps, you should notice a reduction in lag spikes while playing The Sims 4. Enjoy your gaming experience.